Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review an unknown product to me. So it's called Jawline chin strap. It's for face contouring. So I'm not really sure what it is and what it does. Let's check it out together. So reusable and washable, helps in jawline care routine. Made from comfortable, skin friendly and breathable fabric. I assume it's produced in France. Made in China, for whatever reason starts with French. Okay, let's open this up and see what we have got in here. See what we have got in the package. Your free ebook. Make the most out of your product with a detailed ebook guide. I like it. This is cool. This is a very nice idea to teach a little bit further, and it's like a note written here. So hello, I would like to personally thank you for choosing this product. If the product does not line up to your expectation, please contact me directly at this one. Really nice way of marketing. This is the product itself, and this is a kind of user manual. Tips. Number 1, cleanse and dry your face, stretch the mask and place it under your chin, align the opening with your ears and secure it on top of your head. Wear it for 30 to 60 minutes, remove and moisturize if needed. Well, sounds quite easy to me. Let's see what it is. Quite a soft product, I would say. Looks like this. So bottom, top, so I assume this can be closed like this way. And this probably, this is from the, well, I'm lost a little bit. So this is the bottom, this is the top. Okay, so it look like this probably. So they are the, probably for ears. And this is the forehead, I assume. Let's check it out. There was a picture somewhere here, yeah, so it looked like this. I'm not sure really how it looked like, but yeah. Well, I'm a little bit lost, so I guess it's important to check the ebook to see what is the detail of it. But quite a good quality, really nice quality, I would say, very solid looking as well. So it's a kind of cotton, plastic sort of feeling, whatever it is called. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I'm not sure if I would be able to answer your questions on this product, but feel free to ask me the questions should you have any. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I always have a lot of products to review. Make sure you stay aware, and that's why you need to subscribe to know what is upcoming next. Alright, thank you and see you in the next video.